one or two explanation into our US oil chart, and for time constraint. So I'll be analyzing oil from monthly time frame, and we have seen lately oil price have dropped after its breakout from its benchmark price since 2021, and we have seen a significant drop into area of demand. And this area, if you look critically from your line chart, you will see the price has formed here a supply roof, break of a supply roof, demand retest. Price surged into 145 per barrel. And we have seen that same force return break the structure. But when it came back, it respected it as a broken demand floor becomes a supply roof. And break of a supply roof becomes a demand floor. So price now reigns on demand. And test one, test two, price bought, came back, broke the structure. And when it returned again, it respected it as a broken demand floor becomes a supply roof before ultimately breaking it again. You see, oil is like this. When price returned, it respected it as a demand floor, becomes an RT. And we broke the structure, came back to retest, making here ROS level and also a retest candle, and came back and confirmed it again. After claiming a double top structure on an ascending trendline breakout, we have here as a demand floor, a critical demand floor. After that bearish drop, and price came back, broke the structure, formed an ascending trend line, ATL, and we came back to retest that structure. And on retest of that structure, we have sold down to the demand floor. The demand floor is where we have found another strong break and retest, retest 2, retest 3, and we have seen oil buyback. And on that buyback, we meet an ascending trend line connecting 2008, connecting 2013, connecting 2014, connecting 2018, and connecting 2020. And we had a breakout. Precisely, I want to give the date. Trading is very, very simple. Very simple as ABCD. And we have a breakout on this day, Thursday, 01 April 2021, and we came back retested. And now we have broken out from a psychological level. It is expected that oil should upswing, go back to retest a broken demand floor, and come down here to the area of demand. It was once retested in 2021. I hope that oil arrangement could bring price into that zone. I want to tell you for free, 5 years from now, oil price will be worth nothing. Oil will definitely crash. Oil will definitely crash with the rising EV and rising other sources of renewable energy, from the wind to turbines and the rest of other things. As time goes on, oil is really going to be, it's not going to be as lucrative as we thought. It's not going to be that lucrative. So I'm seeing that, and we are coming into that zone where oil price will crash. Oil price will crash. It will crash based on demand and supply. What is the use case? What are the industrial applications? Who and who is using it? Overall, if automobile is transitioning from gasoline to renewable energy, okay, apart from the hybrid cars, this reduces global demand. So as global demand continues to reduce, the price will drop for them to continue to sell. So that is market. So on this ascending structure, you see that after that M structure price drop, price came back, respected it as an RS level before break of that structure. And when it broke that structure, it peaked liquidity from, there is a price action at this level, a break and retest at that level. There's a break of a demand floor here followed by a retest. You will see it here on this monthly candle, and price came back and retested that structure. And shortly after that, you see the market broke it and got wedged to respect that long-term ascending trend line, ATL. So it came here, retest 1, retest 2 after break of structure, and we have seen oil slump. So if oil upswings, let us say on fundamental data, they manage to break this structure and break out from the descending trend line, oil will get back into $100. So this is how we trade, and we have here a strong break of structure at this area. And when we look critically, let me zoom it for clarity. Now look here. We have here as a supply roof, demand floor, demand floor, demand. you have to connect them. They are monthly structure. They are monthly structure. They will provide a price action in the future. So it's not for us to like it, but it's for us to do the right thing. There is a structure at that area, and I will tell you for free that this is the reason price has stopped at this level. This price action here was the reason we got stopped out.